up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So just want to show you how to play Feel Good by Framish 9. So this is a complete guitar tutorial and it's actually a lot easy to play. But the capo is on fret 1, so 1. Capo on the first fret. Alright, we just need 4 chords for the song. If you just have a look at the structure, like kind of have verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop, verse, pre-chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop. And the drop is like extended chorus. So it's nothing different from the chorus. So the verse, the chorus, and the drop are the 3 parts. There are 3 different parts, but these 3 parts are actually same. And then you have the pre-chorus, just goes a little bit different, and I'm just going to show you everything. So firstly, let's have a look at the chord shapes. First chord is a minor, which is mute, open, second, second, first, open. The next chord is a D minor 7, mute, mute, open, second, first, first. Now in most of my videos I actually play a D minor 7 even if it's like a D minor, because to me D minor 7 sounds a lot what do you call that, funky, like there's some flavor of the D minor 7 which I want to play. So F major, we got 1 3 3 2 1 1. Instead you suffer from the bar chords, you can just play the D, G, B string and the high E string, where you got the top 2 string needed, but you got 3 2 1 1. And then you have a G major, which is exactly the shape of that F major, down 2 frets, so it will be 3 5 5 4 3 3. But there's obviously an optional shape to play that, which is in open position, and I think everyone actually knows this, which is 3 2 open open 3 3. Now the B string can be open. It doesn't make any sense if you put the third fret on the B string, but for this song, since the string pattern is a little bit different, we actually need a third fret on the B string too. You will understand everything. And the last chord C major, mute 3 2 0 1 0. Alright, the string pattern for this song is a little bit funky, and it's actually not super hard, but I'm just going to break down everything. So let's have a look at the chord progression of the verse, chorus, drop. 3 parts are equal. So we got D minor 7, A minor, F, G, and that repeats itself. So D minor, A minor, F, G. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern. So it's basically down, down, up, up, down. So this is the basic string pattern which I just do once on each chord. But there's something which I add. So you see, whenever I play a chord, I'm actually muting that with the hand which you with which hand you're actually playing that chord. You also do some stuff over there. But let me show you what I'm doing. I'm doing down, down, up, up, down. Alright, this is very easy. Down, down, up, up, down. But this left hand with which you play the chord, suppose you hold the D minor 7 chord, you do down, down. You can see these 2 fingers shut off the chord note of the sound when I do the second down. So we got down, down, up, up, down. So we got see, down, down, up, mute, then down. So down, down, up, up, down. That's how it goes. And also, what I'm doing is when it comes something like mute or down, down, I was pressing the chord. I'm just releasing it. I'm not going off the position, but I'm still holding it, but I'm not pressing that. I'm also in that shape, but I'm not pressing the note over there. Down, down, up, up, down. And you just go a little bit. So see, on the A minor, my pinky actually does the work. F major, since you're playing the full chord, you can just mute everything with your fingers. So down, down, up, up, down. And the G, and that's the reason I told you play the G like this, because the D and G string will still ring, because those 2 strings are actually open, but still it won't make a huge difference. Alright, that's basically everything. If you just have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will actually help you out. So that was the basic string pattern. We just do that once for each chord, and that goes for the verse, chorus, drop and all. chorus. Okay, now let's have a look at the pre-chorus, probably the easiest part of the song. We start with the F, then a G, then A minor, then a C, and that's the chord progression of the pre-chorus, and a one down, that will be enough for the pre-chorus. So you got 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and you move on to the chorus, and then down, down, up, down. And that's basically everything for the song. It just repeats, the whole section actually repeats itself. So that's basically everything you need for the song to play on the guitar. So this will help you out. Make sure to drop in one of these. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my channel because there's plenty of videos. You can actually learn any of the song, because I don't think I've actually missed any song that you want to learn on guitar. That's it. Drop a comment down below if you just want to learn any other song, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.